Hello everyone, here we've got this Mini 2014. This is F55, F56, so from 2014 up to 2019 is exactly the same. So this Mini, the customer is complaining of a rattle noise. Sometime it comes, sometime it goes away. You can only hear it on idle. So currently we cannot hear it, but the issue is the air condition pipe. So this is the rattle. I will get a torch and show you guys exactly what is wrong with it. So as you can clearly see, the pipe, the clip is broken. So right there is broken, and what happens, this pipe, as you can clearly see, it's been touching, it touches the body with the engine vibration coming from there, traveling all across, and it touches the body. So all you really need to do, either put a zip tie there, or you can replace these clips. Easy fix, guys.